Hey guys, this is AI Builds and we're the AI Brothers. In today's build, we are making this sick Dune Buggy car.
Part 2. So in this video we will be finishing up the bottom, and in the next video we'll do the top cover bit. So this is a really cool video, and be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what we should make next. Also, a link down in the description below, our website. Yep, so let's get into the build, shall we? Here are the pieces you need for part 2 of this build. You will need 10 of these, 12 of these, 12 of these, 10 of these, and the rest of them you should probably be able to see. Here is the build for part 2 of this model. So first, you get these, push them down, and then push the red things through, like that. Then, you get this, this, these, and this. You put them in like this and through like that, and then same goes for the other one, like this, and then through like that. Then you place them here and here. Now you get both of these and 4 of these. You place them here, oh sorry, not there, here and here, these two. And for this one, here and here. Then you place them oh wait, sorry, not this one goes on this side. You place them in these ones, as so. Then you get this, these two, and then 4 of these. First you get these, place them through, then you get a red stopper, then you get this, put it here, and then this on the other side. Do that for both of them. As so, and then you put them over here and here. Now you get 2 of these, well, the same pieces basically, just you have to do it for the other side. So this goes through here. Then you get this, put it through here, this here, oh sorry, wait, I forgot to put this here first, then here, and then here, and that's the same for both. Then you place them here and here. Now you get 2 of these, 1 and 2, and and you place them through here. Oh, sorry, not there. Here and here. Now you get these two, and you place them here and here. Almost done, guys. Now we get 4 of these, this and this. Find the middle and then go 1, 2 out here and out here. And then for the other side, 1, 2 and 1, 2. And then you place it over here. Now you get this and this. You snap these up and lock them in place. Same with this side. Then you get 4 of these. You place them on the inside of these. Oh, as so. Now you get this. Put it through. Turn it around and put it here. As so. Same goes for the other side. So here, put it through and in through here. Now for the battery box. You get these 3, 1, 2, and 3. Get this thing, put it in the middle, and put these through. Then get this one, put this through. Get these, put these here, put these here. Through this. Oh, sorry, not this. This way. My apologies. And then these 2 here. And you get it on the other side. Over here. Don't push it all the way in because you have to put this one in the middle. And then push it through. Now you get the the remote controller receiver, and you wrap this around and connect it here. And then you put it here and here, and then snap these in, as so. Then you connect this one to this side and this one to the other side. You can wrap this around the receiver in case you don't want tangly wires. Then you get these and this, and repeat this 3 more times. as so, and then you place it through here, 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 and here. Now you get any coloured stoppers. I'm going to use yellow for the inside so you guys can see, and then you put them through as so. Finally, get these, place them in here, 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 and here, and then put these grey stoppers, or whatever colour you guys want, on the outside to secure them in. Now, although these weren't in the materials or the pieces you needed, these are the tires for this car. So what you can do is get this, line this up with these, the middle ones, and then wrap it around, and then there should be a lock, like so. And you can do it with the other side. So yeah, this is part 2. Be sure to like and subscribe. We will be posting another video for the outer cover soon. But yeah, like and subscribe. Comment down below what we should make next, and
Enjoy!